Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my living room. I was already running behind on this day, so I quickly wanted to make my bed because I do like coming to my room at night and the bed being made already. It just makes the room feel really cozy right before I go to bed. I prefer to make my bed as soon as I get up in the morning, but some days when I'm running late, I just don't have time, and this was one of these days. But at the end, you guys will see, I'm gonna show you guys how cozy it looks at night.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I purchased these Clorox amber glass bottles last year from a website that we have locally here where you can sell things. It's kind of like Facebook Marketplace. I paid $25 for all of them, which I thought it was a great price. I did have to wash them because they were really dirty, and some of them are still dirty from the inside, but that doesn't really bother me. I just still think they look beautiful, and I've seen them like on eBay and stuff, and they're really expensive. I wish I could find like a big amber glass bottle, but I haven't been that lucky yet. Hopefully one day I'll find one.
To make
So I tried using this piece of decor right here, but it just wasn't fitting. I was so sad. I really wanted to use this on each side because I do have two of them, but I had to go with plan B, which was putting the little pumpkin sign here, which I think it still looks cute, but I really wanted to use those two decor pieces. I don't know if what they're called. I want to say they're like an arch. I think they're really beautiful, but I just couldn't make them fit.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you.
I couldn't get this little basket to stay. It kept moving and all of the apples kept falling out of here. So finally it stayed. I think it looks really cute. I wasn't too sure what to do in the bottom shelves. I really don't like the decor that I have there, but that's all I have for now. And I don't think I'm gonna purchase anything else, maybe until it goes on sale. I've gone to the at-home store and they have some beautiful pumpkins, but that store never has any coupons like Hobby Lobby does or Michael's and Joann's. I know when it's getting like towards the end of the season, they do put things on sale, but I'm not really sure when that is. I don't really follow like the emails. I just signed up actually because I wanted to get a 10% coupon, so when I go in and purchase some gingerbread items, I will have that available. If you guys are interested in that coupon, if you guys sign up for their emails, you guys do get a coupon. I believe in like 2 days. I actually just signed up and I haven't received mine, but you do get 10% off the first time you sign up and then on your birthday as well.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no
done cleaning on this day, I actually dirtied my tablecloth and I had to immediately remove it. When I was taking out the trash, I put the box on top of the table, and oh my gosh, when I lifted it, I noticed that my tablecloth was dirty. It was oil, you guys. So I immediately took it off, sprayed it with some Shout, and washed it. But I still have it in the dryer right now. I haven't taken it out. I'm gonna see if that worked. Hopefully it did.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
I was cleaning my appliances with this blue Windex and I didn't really like it. It left a lot of streaks. I usually use the Windex with vinegar. That one works so well on my appliances, but I couldn't find the bottle. I don't know where it's at right now. So I ended up using that blue one, but I had to keep wiping until I didn't see any more streaks, which was like double the work. But if you guys see that Windex with the vinegar, try it out and see if you guys like it.
There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about.
I just want to show you guys my bedroom at night with all of the lights in here. It makes it look so cozy. I love my fall decor in here. I love my bed. Look how comfy that looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think it looks so nice. I just bought those at Target the other day. I bought 2 of them. I'm thinking about using them for Christmas. I just think they would look really nice right there with some, maybe some, what are those called? Like some berry branches. I think it would look really pretty. I'm thinking about doing my room this year in red. And I want to show you guys my little gingerbread. You guys can kind of see them. Let me, oh, there we go. Hold on. Okay, I hope that's better. Look at my little gingies, you guys. Look how cute this guy is. I got these off of QVC the other day. I was shopping the other day, like at midnight. And I was thinking about like all of the gingerbread decor because I'm like gingy crazy and I just can't wait. I really want to go over to Home Goods and see what they have. No, not Home Goods, the At Home store. I was on the website and it looks like they have some stuff out, so I'm really excited to go see. But these were $24 for the pair. I think they're more expensive, but the day I purchased them, there was like a deal going on QVC that I think it was like if you've never shopped, you got like $10 off or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but I did get $10 off. I've never really shopped on QVC. But these guys are so cute. To look how cute their little faces are. They're just adorable. I really like them. So if you guys are interested, I know they still have them because I was on there just the other day again, but they were regular price. I think the regular price I want to say is like 30 something dollars. I can't remember exactly, but it's about $30. But that's going to be all, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, besties.
All about the good vibes.